Okay, let's open the box. What is inside? These are what you get when you buy a trash can. And this is how the props rotate. And the prop's diameter is 4 centimeters. And it comes with an extra X330 extension. You get 4 batteries, 1 cell each, 300 milliamp. And there are 2 ways to charge the battery, 4.2 volts or 4.35 volts. Let's see the drone itself. The Trashcan logo in the back. And it's so easy to adjust the camera angle, which is a good feature. I like it. Don't forget to tighten your screws. The models are 0803, 15,000 kV, LiIon brand. The wiring and the building is good. And it can fly indoor, no problem. It can fly around your house, no problem. And it can do tricks like roll and flip. Here it goes. So Trashcan has 2 connectors for battery input, and it won't work with one battery plugging in this way. In order to use only one battery, you need this connector that comes together with the package. You just plug it in to the another empty connector, and then only then you can use Trashcan with one battery. For the manual of LiIon Trashcan, the English in this manual is not perfect. If you are a native English speaker, you might find several mistakes in grammar or sentence structures. However, there's one topic that I had read 5 times and I cannot make any sense out of it, which is this topic, the flight controller firmware update. I need a clearer explanation. I would not follow this instruction for firmware update of the flight controller. So that's it for the manual. The rest is good. Another point I want to mention as a caution for you guys is that the way the video wires is connected between the video transmitter here to the flight controller. The yellow wire, which is video in on the VTX side, and the blue wire, which is the video out on the VTX side, they are soldered to here. The yellow wire is video in, right, on the VTX side. They are also soldered to the video in pad on the flight controller side, and the blue wire, which is video out on the VTX side, is also connected to the video out pad on the flight controller side, which is counterintuitive of what we normally do. Now let's connect to Beta Flight via this USB port. I just want to check that all of the settings are according to the default setting in the manual, and they are pretty much the same as the default settings in the manual. So all in all, it's good. Just check that the receiver type is according to your number of channel of your transmitter, 16 channel or 8 channel, and the explanation is in the manual as well. One thing that the default is off for you is the buzzer, the D-shot buzzer. You have to turn on the D-shot buzzer by yourself. The voltage low warning was set to 3.0 voltage, which is normal for a tiny bulb, but I just feel like I don't want to kill the battery that soon, so I increase it to 3.5 volt per cell. The PID setting is slightly off the default setting, but should be no problem at all. And there are 3 modes set for you in the default setting: angle, air mode, and flip over after crash. And here I changed the video channel and band in the CLI tab because I feel like it's easier to do. However, after you change the band and channel, you need to key in the frequency of that band and channel, like 5, 6, 5, 8 into the setting as well, otherwise it won't work. The camera resolution is 16:9, so when I use it with my goggles, which is 4:3, the picture is stretched out vertically, and the Trashcan can withstand numerous crashes. I crashed it both on the cement floor and in my park, and nothing's breaking, all good. It's a solid tiny quadcopter which is suitable for a beginner who are trying to learn how to fly a quadcopter, or for those who just want to have fun flying. So Trashcan is great for beginners or those who just want to have fun flying without caring much about exceptional flight characteristics. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget that you can subscribe to my channel, become my channel member, or support me via many methods described here. And see you again next time. Bye bye.